Hi, welcome to Dao Shows You How. I'm Dao. In this video, I'm going to show you another design of ribbon embroidery on this bright orange fabric like this. Okay, what we need is some satin ribbon, and here I have two shades of green, the lighter one and the darker one. They are 7 millimeters, and we also need white ribbon. It is 12 millimeters for the flowers, and we also need brown, some frost. I'm gonna use brown in this video for the stems. But in this video, I'm not going to show you how to do the stems because they are exactly the same as I did in the last video. If you missed that video, I put a link in the description. So that's it. Let's get started.
Skies, crowded places, lonely faces, howling wind in those eyes, desperation hesitation for the wind, running from the darkness of the night. We'll be shining past the brightest light, just like gold, just like gold. Believing we can spark the break of dawn. We can find the power to be strong, just like gold, just like gold. From the darkness of the night, we'll be shining past the brightest light, just like gold, just like gold. Believing we can spark a break of dawn. We can find the power to be strong, just like gold, just like gold, just like gold. Darkness of the night, we'll be shining past the brightest light, just like gold, just like gold. Believing we can spark the break of dawn. We can find the power to be strong, just like gold, just like gold.
And that's it for this video. I hope you like it. And I just want to let you know that after receiving the encouragement from some of you, I've taken your advice and opened an Etsy shop online. So if you're interested in buying any of the things that you've watched me make in these videos, I've posted some of them for sale, such as this jacket and a few others. So I'll put a link in the description, and it would be great if you could head over to my Etsy shop and have a look. So thank you very much for your support and inspiration. I've got lots more videos to come. This has been Dao Shows You How. I'm Dao, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Let it go, make my body go, make our bodies high.